Rubata. Wow. I'm back in Rubata, Kidapawan City. This is my second time here. Ganda. Oh. Dali na. Hi, beautiful. Ano ka pa? Madam. Nagpilapod na. 50? Pinakurat. Wala man ko nagasuka doon. Daming tao ka. So, pero naka-reserve. Naka-reserve ka na. I would like to thank my sponsor for my dress tonight. Other than my friend. Ay, meron silang delivery. For the intro lang, Rubata is a Japanese restaurant. So obviously, yung mga menu dito are all Japanese food. You will never regret here kasi this is my second times na. The last time was, I think, 2 years ago din. Yung naimbitahan ako. And this time, sila pa rin yung kasama ko. And this is actually a family or fam-bam bonding o charot, diba? So, hindi lang pala to restaurant. Meron din silang mga products na binibenta kagaya nito. Mga delicacies, sweets. Ayan, so ito yung counter nila. Akala ko dito kami sa ground floor. Sa second floor pala kami. So, paakyat kami sa napakataas na stairs. Nakakalula. Arigato gozaimasu. So for the intro, salad muna for the appetizer. I don't know what it's called pero hindi ko na tinanong kasi I'm sure it's difficult to pronounce. So kagaya rin dito, hindi ko rin alam kung ano, but that's not my order. Ito naman yung sa akin, it's a pork, rice and pork yung sa akin. So, masarap pa rin siya. At tapos yung ito naman yung may sushi yata ito, masarap din. It's a fruit and vegetable salad. There's avocado. Namit ng and also there's seafood. Ay, may mga jacket! Ay, sarap. Kanite, kung siya ngalan na rin. Ha? Chicken? Gyoza. Chicken gyoza. Lamig. Wala siya ano. Kung ma-explain yung lasa. Ito naman o yung soup. Yung katabaw lang yung kaon. Seaweed ba? Ay, kane? Yeah, it's seaweed. Let's try. Seaweed. Gusto mo, be? Be? Can I get it? Yeah. Ito yung seaweed niya. May seaweed. Ay, wow! May puti! I think this is pusit. Ang kulay ba?
Take a video.
I can explain the taste. Actually guys, second times ko na dito.
No na? Okay lang. Okay lang, girl. Kaya mo.
Masarap naman.
Ano gusto mo? Senior na ba ako?
Kakain ako. Nag-water. So busog. Thank you, Lord. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. So, ayan, wala na. Grabe. Lain to food lang kaina.
O gani, ako nga naman gani.
Ending. Thanks for watching.